Hello, my name is Naoko Fukumaru. I am a Kintsugi artist and ceramic conservator. Today I'm going to give Kintsugi demonstration at Vancouver Art Gallery. I explain the visitors how is the steps of the Kintsugi process. Kintsugi process is very time consuming. It normally takes about 3 to 4 months to complete one piece. So today I brought broken ceramics and then I showed how to assemble. Kintsugi is a 500 years old history of restoring ceramics with lacquer and gold, and finding beauty and embracing the brokenness and celebrating incomplete, imperfect, and impermanent of life. So Yoko Ono first conceptualized mend piece in 1966, and she got inspiration from Kintsugi. Her piece doesn't use any lacquer or gold, but the concept of broken ceramics, we can create something beautiful, and that can apply to us. Like we all get broken, the world gets broken, but we can embrace that brokenness. And then if we mend the brokenness with wisdom and love, and then us is going to heal and the mend at the same time. Kintsugi is very, very important part of my life now. Especially I was restoring ceramics for 25 years for hidden restoration, more European Western philosophy. And once the Kintsugi came to my life 3 years ago, I found, it's okay to be broken, it's okay to be myself, it's okay to be imperfect. The brokenness, people normally think it's a negative term, but I believe that's the opposite. Like, if we can reborn because we were broken, we can see more the structures and then true itself, because it was broken, we have a lot of beauty we can find from the brokenness. I hope you have a chance to visit the Vancouver Art Gallery to see Yoko Ono's show, and I will demonstrate Kintsugi April 24th from 2 to 4. I hope you can come and visit my demonstration. Please visit Vancouver Art Gallery website for more information.